How to connect Square in your Wix website. Hello guys and welcome back to my channel, and today I'm going to show you how to connect the Square payments into your Wix website. So it may sound difficult, but in fact it's really easy to do, and in seconds I'm going to show you how to do it. So the first step you need to do is to create or log into your account on Wix.com. As you can see, I have already made one and I have already created a couple of websites. So we'll start from scratch. Just click on the button create new site and we are ready to go. Okay, so now it's going to offer us to use their AI chat, their AI technology, but we don't really need it right now, so just click setup without chat. So the next step, you need to choose what type of website do you want to create. So here in the search bar you just type any type of website you can think of. So it can be an online, for example, online electronics store, or an online clothing store, or online clothing rental store. So anything you'd like to create is here. So for example, we are creating an online baby clothing store. Okay, so then click continue and we are good to go. So it's going to prepare our dashboard, and the next step is we need to create a name for our website. Just pick a name that you like. So now it's going to load and it's going to load the page for name creation. So just wait a bit. Okay, so here it is. It's telling us to start setting up your store with the name. So I'll go with this name as an example because I'm giving you just an example. Then click continue. It's going to ask you, do you already have an online store? So if you have, click on yes, I'm already selling online, and if you don't, just click on no, I'm just starting out. Then click continue and it's going to ask you what kind of products are you selling. So you can sell the physical products, drop shipping products, services, digital products, print on demand products. So I'm going to put a tick on the physical products and that's all. So then click continue and it's going to ask you how you're offering your products. So you can offer your products by an online store, in person, by the mobile app, or by the marketplaces and social media. So I just put a tick on online store and then click continue and we are all set. Okay, then click on continue to dashboard and we are good to go. So the next thing is I'm going to show you how to add the Square payments. So the next step, you just need to click design your website, and if you want your website to work correctly, you need to go through all these steps. But I'm going to click on design your website and quickly show you how to connect the Square. So then click on customize the template if you don't want to generate it by the AI technology, and here you see the templates connected to our result. We have named the online baby clothing store, so as you can see we have here the templates with the clothing store for kids. So here you just pick the best match template for you. I just really like these kids, this template with purple with the pink words. I really like the fonts. Okay, so click on edit and it's going to load the editor's page of your website. You just need to wait a couple of seconds to it for loading correctly. Just wait a bit for it to load everything. So the best opportunity of Wix.com is you don't really need to know any programming language. You just creating your website in another website, and it's really cool and it's really easy to do. So as you can see, we have our website right here. It's ready to use, it's ready to be edited. So the next step, what we should do to connect the Square payment, you need to go to add apps. 1 second, it's not loaded fully. Need to wait a couple of more seconds. Okay, so Here you see those sections where you can add elements, add sections, see your pages and menu, change your site design. You need this purple section with add apps. So just click on it and it will load the Wix app market. And here we will right now search our Square payments. Okay, so just need to wait a bit. It's right now is saving our website and loading the Wix app market, so it's kind of slow. Okay, so it was saved. We are good to go. So here on the search bar you just type Square, and I already see the Square polls for restaurants. So just click for it and it's going to tell you that you need an additional app. You need to install Wix restaurant owners. I don't know why it's connected to the restaurants, but the Square payments are not only for the restaurants, because you can receive online orders directly to your Square account and hardware to streamline your restaurants operation, or not even restaurants. So the categories are the services and events and restaurants. So availability, this app isn't available yet for France, but is available for other countries like United States, Australia, United Kingdom, Ireland, Canada and South Africa. So the site requirements is you need to install the Wix restaurant orders first. So we go to Wix restaurant orders, just click on it, add to site. It's going to load a couple of seconds. So here you can see that is adding Wix restaurant orders right now. So we just need to wait it a bit. Okay, I think everything is ready. Okay, when you see here a tick, it means that everything was saved. And then we go to the Wix app market one more time and start adding our Square polls for restaurants. Okay, we are good to go. We just can now add it to a site, click on it, and it's going to load the page for you to capture all the requirements. So manage restaurant orders, read basic site and business information. Just click and agree and add. And we are almost done. Our Square payment is connected to the Wix website. So right now we have an order online page. We can see zoom out and edit, for example, the section. We can add the section right here for the bookings, for the events. So we have added the so the business info you have here. So I hope you understand how to add the Square payments into your website. I hope you'd like my video. Thank you for your attention and goodbye.